What is happening, my friends? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are headed over to my buddy Remy's house. You guys have seen his car on the channel a few times before. He is getting the thing finished up and having some troubles with it. So I'm just gonna bring Bob's STI over there and we could possibly swap some parts if needed. Let's get her warmed up and we can head on out. How the hell do you get your car out of there if you can't even get back there?
You want me to open the gate?
This thing ain't going through that. It's like 10 feet deep.
No, I shoveled it.
I can try.
It might be a struggle.
I'll try.
All right. Back up. Are you stuck? You can't walk. You're gonna spark anyway.
That's fucking funny. Okay, Remy.
What's up?
Hi. Explain your car that's slow, that doesn't start.
Well, we're having an issue. We're not getting spark.
We got to bring him up to date. Last time they saw this car.
Oh yeah, Devin. This was at Devin's shop before we went to Gatlinburg. Got the car running perfect, and then down in Gatlinburg, I forgot to torque down the timing tensioner. So the timing came loose and I bent my exhaust valves. So now I rebuilt it, but now it won't start.
Why won't it start?
I'm not getting spark in like random cylinders. So I think it's a low voltage issue. My yellow top is trash, never buy one. They're horrible.
How horrible?
Cody's weird battery in here, that's dead too. So I don't know, Devin's coming to save the day.
Bro, everything would be dead in this cold ass shop. Wow, okay, so let's put a battery in it, put the jump pack on it, see if we get spark. If we get spark, put the bitch together and start it up. Sound like a plan?
Sounds like a good plan.
Sound like a plan, Bosif?
Yes, sir.
Is that your shitty Evo over there?
Nope.
Is that the one I'm buying from you?
It's probably yours.
Perfect. See, Remy, this is what you need.
Yeah,
just a nice
reliable
ETS kit with a little turbo.
I wish I kept my FP Black setup.
Yeah.
Perfect setup.
Maybe I should put it in right. There. Hey Remy, how many grounds do you have off this car right now?
Only the main one.
I swear to God, if that's your problem. Oh my God. You boy.
I guarantee that gets spark now.
Well, it's the ground for the whole entire engine harness.
Yeah.
So.
Fuck me.
It's okay.
See if I get spark.
Cut. We're good. We got spark.
Really?
That's how I was gonna put your grounds on, Remy. You get
Yeah.
spark. All right, put it together and start it up. That's your problem.
If this starts, I'm fucking pissed. It's been hours, and I didn't plug in a stupid bolt or put a bolt on.
Do you have oil pressure?
Yes, I have oil pressure.
Do you have fuel pressure?
We'll see.
Did you install your pistons? I guess
I didn't put the
that'd be
cylinders. I didn't put those in.
Nice.
Like connected to it.
The cylinders?
The fucking whatever they're fucking
The
called.
wrist pins?
Well, I was gonna say wrist pin, but I was gonna say a fancy word for it. Fuck off. It's cold as shit. I can't think.
All right. Give me some fuel pressure, and then we can start it. All right, cool. Fired up.
Well, just in case it doesn't start, here's some fucking starting fluid.
We don't need starting fluid when your car's
It's
put
not
together,
gonna
right?
fucking start, guarantee it.
Okay. Is it gonna start?
No, probably not. It's pretty chilly in there, so.
Did you tighten your battery, bro? You wanna put the jump pack on it too?
Yeah. It's never been that close.
How's it sounded like that before?
Uh-huh.
I'll give her some start fluid.
Sure. Since this is a janky Subaru, where's your starting fluid? Maybe if it wasn't 5 degrees in your garage, Remy, we would be in luck.
I got another one in here too. Alright.
You're down.
Should we spray some straight into the throttle body?
Sure. So this is what the Subaru boys do, huh?
Yep.
I mean, how many gallons of this shit do you want in here?
I don't know.
Alright, let me know when.
Use whatever judgment you want. Fucking A, it's so close.
Why is it pushing out the intake? Is that normal?
Pushing out the intake.
Pushing air out the intake instead of pulling air? Seems a little backwards.
Why the fuck would it be doing?
I don't know if that's normal.
Got him now?
Yeah, she's dead. Yeah,
She's close. That's the closest she's ever been.
all the starting fluid I'm giving it is just coming right back out the intake. It's just pushing it back out. It's like, it's acting like this is your exhaust. I don't think that's normal.
No.
It's a little weird. How many batteries do you need to start a Subaru?
All of them, apparently.
So I should sell all the Subarus, because this is how they act.
Yes.
Got it. Watch him get stuck.
That's fucked up.
Oh my god, Remy. Yeah.
It don't matter.
Good job, Rem. Now you got your truck stuck. Maybe you should have bought a real truck, not a little 4-cylinder diesel. Or 2-cylinder, whatever it is. You'll get it out. Bro, you're in 3 inches of snow. How are you stuck?
It's a little worse over here.
Don't make me get Bobby's STI and pull you out. Have you ever thought about buying a real truck?
Like, just consistently?
Back and forth.
While I'm backing up?
Do I need to do it for you?
Sure. If you want.
If you bought a real Duramax, a 6.6 liter diesel, you'd be just fine.
I'm broke.
Finally got this useless truck unstuck. and now we're jumping the STI from the truck. If it don't start now, I'm going home. I'm cold. What the hell? It'll go. Maybe next year, but it'll go. I guess next year's only like a week away. All right, one last shot with some more starting fluid. Figure out a way to get it out. Can you get it out somehow?
Do what?
Put it in my shop so it's warm.
I can get it out, but
Can you get it to my shop somehow?
if I use your trailer.
It's full of shit.
Yeah.
Calling that a wrap. You killed the battery, you fuck. Put a jump pack on it. Oh, it better be charged enough to get this thing started. Oh, boys. This should hopefully be enough.
It's at 27. I feel like it should go.
I'm sorry.
Actually, it might be worth it. Huh?
Can't you find your battery?
Oh, that's okay.
All right, getting back to work on my own cars. This thing is gonna get a few OEM parts installed back on it. I mentioned in the last video with this car that I'm not a big fan of the APR mirrors on this car, and I'm not the biggest fan of the taillights. I like them, I don't love them. We're gonna put them on Bobby's STI eventually, but for now, I'm just gonna put the OE tails back on this and the OEM mirrors back on this car as well. But before I do that, I'm gonna give it a quick bath because it's filthy. Next up, believe it or not, I know this is a little unexpected, but we are putting this car back to NA. It currently has a MAP turbo kit with a 5858, and I think it made, if I remember correctly, right around 400 wheel on E. It's a fun car, but I decided that I want to drastically change up the setup on this thing. It's been the same for a while. It's had the same camo wrap on the car for a while. So yeah, we're getting started just by going back to NA. The good old simple days, the reliable days I miss with this thing. And yeah, let's pull this turbo kit off. It was fun while it lasted, but it's time.
I mean, you can shoot S-Log.
Well, boys, she's alive and she runs well. Too bad it's gonna be slow, but I got better plans for this thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's Subi video, all sorts of weird shenanigans going on, and hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see ya in the next one. Goodbye.